This is one of those weird videos where I'm making a video on how I make a video. So I've just recorded a video called The Problem with High Ticket Affiliate Marketing, right? I've done some working out on a video, gone through some numbers um, as a way of educating people. I like to try and educate on my videos. So what I'm going to do now is walk you through how I've been doing my YouTube videos. So let's jump to the screen. And if you like what you're seeing, I tend to do a lot more of these. You'll notice I've ramped up my content lately. So you can see more of this sort of stuff if you want to know how I've been improving my marketing. So I've gone to Google AI Studio. If you just search for it, it'll bring it up. It's aistudio.google.com. And I'm saying, can you please transcribe this audio for me? And this audio will be upload file. Now, this will be from Zoom. So I record my videos in Zoom. So you go to Documents, find the Zoom folder, at least on a Windows computer. And then if I come all the way down, it should be the last recording here. Which, that's 1507, so that's now. So it'll be this one here. Okay, so I'm going to rename the video file while I remember, right? Rename. This is important for the YouTube search engine. So apparently, if you always call the file the name, so the problem with high ticket affiliate marketing, right? It also means I will make sure I get the right file in a minute when I upload it. High ticket affiliate marketing, right? So that's renamed the video. What I want is the audio file. If you record on YouTube, you get the video and the audio at the same time, which is awesome. So I'm going to upload the audio into Google AI Studio, wait for it to load, take a minute, and then click run. See, it's extracting it now, it's working it all out. Okay, so we're going to run. And this is free. I don't know, I think there's more versions. There's a paid version now, something you get better results or whatever. Okay, so here it is transcribing what I say in the video. I think even with the ums and the ahs. Now, I could make an AI podcast out of this, which I'm building up to. But what we're going to do now is say, please turn that into. So what I'll do. I am going to upload the video for this to YouTube for the search term high ticket affiliate marketing. Can you please write me a perfect YouTube description to help it rank? When we run, let's see what it does. Okay, so I'll tell you what I'll do, just to save time. I'm going to go into YouTube. We'll come back to that in a second. So I'm going to go into YouTube. Now, I subscribe to something called VidIQ, and that helps me with the search words, by the way. So it's telling me, high ticket affiliate programs there, 3,000 searches, very low. High ticket affiliate marketing, low, 29,000 searches. So, I've come and I've used this for my inspiration for the keywords, but you'll see what's good about this in a second as well. So we're going to click create. We're going to upload the video. So we're going to start that uploading. Select my file. So it's going to be this one, the problem with high ticket affiliate marketing. That I've uploaded the wrong video in the past. I've done it a few times, and that's why I renamed that while I knew for sure I was on the right one. Okay. Just make sure it's just a little safety check that I've built in for the way I work. So we're going to upload that file. Now I need the description. So just put that in capitals. The problem with high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, let's go back here. Has it done it yet? Here we go. Key elements, blah, blah, blah. So it's told me that I don't need. Now, this is useless. I'll tell you why in a minute. Not useless, but you'll see. So here we go. So I'm going to do this. I take it for the truth and problems revealed. There we go. I quite like that actually. So I might change my title. Let's put the description in. Paste. There's my description. Has it got all the emojis in? Yeah. Did it have an emoji in the headline? No. Some more interesting title than what I had. Let's put that in. But you can see VidIQ has come up, okay, with some good ideas. And obviously the one that's in green is the best. So let's put that in and see what it thinks. 89. So that's the best one. So AI has come up with a better title than I came up with, right? And Google AI Studio, according to vidIQ's own AI, is better, right? So we've done that. So that's all good, right? So I've got a good description. Now those I need a thumbnail. Now I can go and make one in Canva. I've been doing that, but I can get an AI generated one. I can do 10 a month, I think. And it says, look, I've got 10 credits, more in 28 days. And I think I pay something stupid like $10 a month. It's quite low cost. It's not a lot of money. So AI is making my thumbnail for me for the video. Don't like that one. I've already had one like that. That's not, these aren't sort of calling to me really. It's done some good ones in the past. Okay. So do you know what? I don't like those. So let me just deal with this real quick. So I'm going to go Canva. Canva's really good. You have templates you can use. I've already done a good template. I like that one. So we can just go and edit it and just change it every time. For the main keyword, high ticket affiliate marketing. What was the title? High ticket affiliate marketing, truth and problems revealed. Right. Truth. Truth. Problems revealed. Oops. I can't spell. Revealed. Is that right? Revealed. There you go. Let's drag that over so it goes on one line. Okay. Now we don't want him because what we want now, it's like truth and problems, right? So we're going to go elements. We're going to find a guy or a girl that's like problems. Let's just do problems. And we're going to go photos. See all. Let's have a look. There you go. That's a good one. I like that one. Really want people. That one, not bad. That one, I quite like that one. Let's go for that one. Right. Now, if you put the image in, it's got this BG remover, removes the background. See how it does with this, because there's a lot of buildings and stuff. There we go. That. Classic. Try and get the table out of the picture. There we go. There we go. That will do. Okay, that's fine. I think maybe put that up there so it looks like he's looking at that, and we can lift that up there a little bit. What do you think? We can put that underneath. Make that a bit bigger. There we go. That fit. It's quite sad, really, because you can spend more time doing this sort of stuff. If we do this, get my guy there and flip him. There you go. I think that's a bit better. We'll do it that way around. Share, download. I normally just use the same template. I've messed around with it today. It makes this video a bit longer. I do apologize. Download. Save as. Online automation tool. That'll do. Okay. And then if I go back into here, I can upload my thumbnail that I've just made. Because what you want is your thumbnail to stand out. Go. Playlists. This is going into affiliate marketing. Okay. So done. It's not made for children, not made for kids. Doesn't. It's not got paid promotion or anything like that in it. Okay. There's no altered content. Okay, or anything like that. Now, I was talking about the tags earlier. So obviously we want affiliate marketing. So we click plus. This is VidIQ giving me recommendations. Okay, so I'll mention the funnel that I've got in there. You can see my score is 92 out of 100, which is pretty good according to VidIQ. It tries to work out, you know, what's going on, what are good scores. Now, if I come into the studio, these tags, I don't want passive income anyway. Digital marketing might work, but if I try and paste that into YouTube, it sees it as one tag, right? So what I do is I say, please give me this list as comma separated. Run. It goes. I found that for me, Google AI Studio is giving me the best transcription, which is why I use it, and I just stay in it to do this work. Right, there you go. So I can paste those in, check my score, 92 out of 100. It hasn't increased it. Various debates. Some people tell you these are super important, especially on new channels. I think they are not so important probably once YouTube's got a good idea about what you're doing on your channel. But hey, we'll see. Video language, that's all okay. This is all normally fine. So I'm going to go and click next. So I don't want to add subtitles. People can do that right from YouTube. Add an end screen, import from video. Now I always do this now, never used to. So we're going to go for this one here. So subscribe. And the best reviewer, no, I'm going to choose a specific video and I want to drive them back to setting up passive affiliate marketing system. There we go. Or passive, can AI create a passive money machine? That's a good one as well. That's been a popular video. So we'll click save. Okay, we go next. No copyright issues found or anything like that, which is all good. We go next. I want it to be public. Yes. Current best times to post between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Do you know what? I don't bother. Just publish it. And there's my video. So now I can share it straight to Facebook. Why would you not want to share it straight to Facebook? The problem I have with my ticket affiliate marketing and why I love it. So we did that and we do that. Wow, I love it. Okay, there we go. So we can click share. That's gone straight onto Facebook. If you've got an email list, you can send it out to your email list. I could make a podcast out of the transcription, you know, as I say. All right, so that's all good. And guys, I believe that is it. Start to finish, record a video, upload the transcription, use AI to create the video description, create the tags, and you can use it to create a thumbnail. I just think like those particularly. It's made me some other ones that have been really, really good. So yeah, there you go. Check it out if you want. You can see it on my Facebook timeline or on my YouTube channel, which is at The Real Paul Turner. At The Real Paul Turner. And also with your vidIQ as well. I haven't posted properly for a couple of days, but you get your stats. You can see, look, I'm up 380%. you know, I've not posted for a few days, so that's dropped a little bit. It only seems to count when I get 10 new subscribers at a time. Must be close. But you can see I'm on a bit of a rampage at the minute to try and boost my video subscriptions. All right, so see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.